Hello friends, welcome to DUDR Academy. In this video, I have come up with a job notification of Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology, Trivandrum. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it and get the notifications. The name of the post is Study Coordinator for a project entitled Understanding Disease Clustering in the Tribal Population of Kerala. The notification number is dated 16/6/2020 and the institute is established by the Government of Kerala as an advanced center for medical specialty. And the qualification and experience required for the post is: the essential qualification is MBBS or MDS or BDS or BAMS, BSc Nursing or BVC with Masters in Public Health. Registration in corresponding medical, dental, Ayurveda, Nursing, Veterinary Council. And the applicant should have fluency in Malayalam. And the desirable experience is 2 years research experience in recognized institutes. The maximum age limit as on 31/7/2020 is 40 years and the number of vacancy is 2. The consolidated remuneration is 60,000 per month and the tenure of appointment is 1 year, which is extendable or till completion of the project, whichever is earlier. The preference will be given to candidates belonging to SC/ST communities belonging to the districts of Trivandrum, Malappuram and Wayanad, and there should be fluency in Malayalam, that is speaking, reading and writing. The process of application is application along with the biodata and self-attested copies of certificates to prove age, qualification and experience, and it should be applied to the project cell AMC HSS Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Medical College PO Trivandrum. The envelope should be superscribed as application for the post of study coordinator. The mode of selection is application will be screened and the eligible candidates will be informed through email with date and venue to attend the walk-in interview. The last date of application is 4/7/2020. And this is a link for the website. This is the order for the post of study coordinator on temporary basis. So thank you for watching the video. For more job notifications, subscribe the channel.